Hey children, hope you are taking care of yourself. Yes, and now coming to a social, I'll just show you the flow chart which we have done. We have one second, children. We have completed features and political divisions of our lesson I Love My India, and today our topic is physical divisions. Okay, physical divisions. What is meant by physical divisions? Okay, how India looks. What are the different variety of landforms we have? Okay, now the landforms of our country vary from place to place. Yes, the landforms. The land might be in a different shapes. So what types of lands do we have? You're going to learn. In India, it is broadly divided. The different landforms are divided into 5 physical divisions, children. Okay, how many physical divisions? 5 physical divisions. Okay, and now if you can clearly, this is called legend or index box, and the colors are also been given to understand the map. Okay, northern mountains in brown color they have shaded, and you can see very clearly from here to the northern eastern part we have mountains. Yes, and you know very well which type of mountains. We have borders of Himalayas. Yes, now coming to the next physical division, northern plains. We say, when we say northern, which side we are? Yes, north side. Now if you see, the light green color shaded is completely with plain areas. Northern plain areas. Each physical division you will learn in your next lessons, children. Very elaborately you are going to learn. Okay. Coastal plains. Coastal plains is nothing but the land where sea meet together. Now if you see, we have lands meeting to Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Yes, these parts are called as coastal plains. Okay, and we have two coastal plains, which is western coastal plains, eastern coastal plains. Okay, now coming to the yellowish part, western desert. You know very well, desert is a dry land. Yes, and we have mostly near to the Rajasthan. Yes, southern plateau. Southern plateau. It is in orange color. Now, mostly our India is covered with plateau region. Yes, you can also identify it's a triangular piece of land. Yes, and most of our area is covered with plateau region only. Okay, children? Yes. Now I'm going to tell you about our question answers and the worksheets. Shortly, I'm going to send you the worksheet where you will color the physical map according to the given colors. Okay, mountains with brown, yellow, with desert area. Okay, so we will give you the legend completely. Please start coloring the worksheet. Okay, and now coming to the answer these questions, children, you can read and answer. If you go through the textbook, I hope you are underlining the keywords when I'm teaching you, children. And very shortly you can frame your own question bank and you can come and prepare. Yes, and here A bit and B bit on your own you are supposed to do it and answer these questions. Please try. Please try. It's very easy. Children, in every video file you are able to get these answers. Write the names of the water bodies that surround India. I think in the first page you will be getting this answer. Move to the next page. Write the names of any 5 of our neighboring countries. In the first video itself, we have done lot of revision of our neighboring countries. Please start writing neatly, very neatly, underline the keywords. And as you know very well, after writing every question, you have to leave a line, answer, and after answer, you have to leave a line. Which state has 2 capitals? Write the names of the capitals. Yes, write the names of 7 sisters. In which part of India are they located? Just now, very recent video you have, you have listened. What are the 5 physical divisions of India? I hope you all will be able to write. I know you are the smart kids. Yes, you will do it. Please start doing and try to do the map work also. Okay, children? Try to do the map work and we will help you. I think nothing wrong in showing the wrong answer also, but try to get a correct answer, show the correct answers too, and we'll be there to correct you every minute. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.